Hapag-Lloyd is one of the leading shipping companies in the world. The way we deal with data has changed. We have all of our equipment made measurable now. No other shipping company has something like this.
We're mainly responsible for managing the transport between ports using our vessels and our containers, but we also supply our customers with the containers where they need them during the inland transport. There's a lot of potential for delays. We have schedules with the vessels. We need to make sure that we know which containers are still going to make it or which are not going to make it. A couple of years ago, we permanently installed IoT devices on over 2 million containers. It's a new level of transparency that we are providing.
With the Smart Container project, Qlik is allowing Hapag-Lloyd to do data differently.
We're talking about large data sets that many other tools can't handle. Qlik Analytics definitely has the advantage that we can really insert all this location information, but also device health information. The variety of different visualization options we have fosters a more natural understanding of the data.
Knowing where the containers are, for one, helps us with our own operations, but of course it also helps the customers to identify whether everything is on time or whether something is delayed, to then also know where do we actually need to position boxes for the customers to make it easier for them to pick them up. Qlik can actually create value from the data that we get. Customers save up to 50% of the inland transport. Now we have more visibility on what kind of CO2 emissions are connected to a certain transport or a certain shipment to then see, okay, where do we also maybe want to optimize or where do our customers want to optimize?
Qlik will play a crucial role in our digital transformation. AI can enable new opportunities that we don't have today, and I think Qlik has a lot of very valuable AI functions that will have an impact in the future.
As Hapag-Lloyd, whatever we have to improve the quality of our own products is also something that offers a growth opportunity for us.
Shipping has always been very conservative. When I started, data was no essential part of Hapag-Lloyd. With the possibilities of Qlik, it has now become an essential part.